birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lisa. Happy birthday to you. Yay.
That's your card.
And if you're wondering why mine is very short and turned upside down, it's because I was trying real hard not to make any noise.
That's the only drawback to those, is trying to sign them without them knowing it's doing it.
Well, Lisa and I have been running into each other all day. I figured I'd turn around and she'd be right there.